Good afternoon, classmate. Good afternoon, teacher. In this occasion, I will going to talk about the importance of colors in the nature. The colors have a key role that are survival of a species, in particular of the animals. The color is the result of certain wavelength of solar light reflection pigment of a small molecules, because the colors have different when see the colors are in the small molecules, because the small molecule reflect this light like solar or light reflecting absorb this color, and this make that they have this color. In the animals, the coloration can be classified depending of the function that serves the organism. Camouflage of creeped coloration allows an animal to be almost invisible. That when it's for example, in some birds or some birds have different colors because they camouflage into trees, in the ground, in the grass, that the predators don't see. And the predators have some color. For example, the tiger have rays that camouflage in the grass, because you can see the tiger, but some animals cannot see it because they camouflage into the grass, and the other animal don't see. In others, for example, in the plants have different color that demonstrate the time of the air. For example, in the summer, you see all the plants that have different colors, and have colors red, blue, yellow, and another colors. And when it start to snow, or when it start the winter, the colors the plants don't have any color. That have gray colors, black colors. In the autumn, the plants have a different color. For example, in the trees, the colors that have is orange or are coffee, because this is this period of time that the trees or the plants put this color. In the fields, the flora, there are three color pigment of the plants. The flowers have different colors. This different color is about to attract some bees or some insects to pollinate and to be more appetizer for insect, because when the insects see extravagant colors, they see the bees going to these flowers to pollinate. The color have a lot of importance in the life. It's not only for look beautiful or look awesome. The color have a role in the survival that have a species in particular. Thank you. Good night.